How to use sorting in Google Sheets. Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to provide you with a very clear, beginner-friendly guide to sort in Google Sheets. Very easy in order to do so. So let's just get started. So you can start by opening up your Google Sheets, and let's say this is in data. You can use your data. You can just go over and use your own data. This is my data, for example. Now what we can do is we can just go over and select the whole table like this, even with the headings, and we can go to the data option in the top of the screen, and within here we can select the option of sort range and we can sort it out. So we have the option of sorting it from A to Z or Z to A. You can just go over and check it out, and it will sort it out. You can also uncheck this header as well, because maybe you just want it on the top. You can just go over and keep it as it is and select all the data, and you can sort it out by going to data and click on sort range and sort it out. For now, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And if you want to do from Z to A, you can again select every data and then go to data option, go to sort range and select Z to A, and it will sort out the data that way again. Now let's say you want to sort numbers instead, from low to high and high to low. For that, what we can do is we can select the numbers from our given data, and we can select the option of data option in the top, and we can select the option of sort by range and sort by column C to A to Z, or column C. Even we have the option for low to high, those kind of options, and you can choose that option and it will give you the data that you're looking for. You can just go over and mark it A to Z or Z to A, high to low. That is also possible. And if you want to sort it by date, you can select every date here and go to the data option again and look out for sort range, and again choose A to Z or Z to A, and it will give you the data it will sort out the data the way you prefer. And that's it. It is pretty easy. You just need to go over and select the data that you would like to sort and select the option of data at the top and look out for the sort range option and sort it out. And use this carefully because this shorts also the entire sheet. You can just go over and do so. Always select the full table before sorting, otherwise your data will get mixed up. But usually that's it, everybody. You can follow this process in order to do so, which should be very easy for you. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.